Let me just make you the host as well.
Okay, I can share. I hope you can see the screen, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Hmm.
Okay then, Sonal, all the best. So let me just make you the host finally. And people may be coming in the that waiting room. We'll have to just enable them, right?
Yeah.
Say admit. Yeah. See now, did you get the option now? Do you
I'll
have the chat option now?
I'll just check 1 minute.
In that control panel, you'll be able to get it. Like,
Okay, yeah, it is there in the
click
yeah.
on that. Just click on that,
Yeah, I have clicked on this.
and then you are familiar with this, right? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's all right. Maybe
All
I
right.
wouldn't have paid attention to the uppermost part. So,
Oh, that's fine. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Bye. All the best. Yeah.
Ashish. Hello, people. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. You replied.
Good afternoon.
Oh, everyone replied. People, just give me a sec. I'll just close the door. Just a minute, people. There is some disturbance at my end. I'll just fix it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Lot of noise coming. 1 minute. I'm extremely sorry, people. So, were you able to listen some other type of sound, or was it only me?
No, ma'am. Right now it is okay.
Earlier,
Yeah, earlier it was like a bit
too much of
noise.
kharar, no?
Yes.
So some experiment is going on at my home. So I was like, okay, pause your experiment. Okay, so we'll start, people, now. Right. So will you people answer? Will you people reply, or what? So Manmohan Singh mode on, or which mode is on? Riya. Madhumita was talking, right? Madhusmita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Madhusmita. So do you
Will
people
reply.
will reply? Thank you so much. Thank you. Please make my day by replying. So can you see the screen right now?
Yeah, it is permutation and combination.
Super. All right, I'll just make it in. Okay, so how many of you are comfortable in typing? Okay, nobody. So fine. What do you mean by permutation? What do you mean by combination? Any idea? What is permutation and what is combination? So is it like I should assume answers from your side and just go ahead?
And permutation means a set of numbers which can be arranged.
Okay, and permutation?
A combination itself is speaking like when we combine and what is the output we get.
All right. So permutation is arrangement and combination is selection. Would you We'll see one example where all this doubt will get clear. Now, permutation is what NPR, right? I'll explain to you what is NP, what is N, and what is R. P stands for permutation. We'll not use this at all. And selection is NCR, right? Now, the formula for NPR is what? N factorial by N minus R factorial, right? NCR is what? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial, right? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Now, when I'll explain formula to you, you will understand what we mean by all this. Do you know factorial? All of you know factorial? Do you know factorial?
Yes, ma'am.
Like 10
Yes,
factorial
ma'am.
is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Starting from 10, going on up to 1, right? Similarly, 100 factorial will be what? Starting from 100, going up to 1. Now, if I look at NCR, oh, fine, I'll come back to this later. Oh, yo. Is it like all one? I'll come back to this part little later. So NC0 is 1, NCN is also 1. NC1 is equal to N, NCN minus 1 is also equal to N. So tell me, 8C0 value will be what? What will be the value of 8C0?
1.
1,
1. 7C0?
1,
1.
1,
11C0? 1.
1.
All right. 8C8? 1.
1.
11C11? Again it is 1. 12C12? Again it is 1. Right? 8C1. 8C1. What will be the answer for 8C1?
8,
8. Okay. 8C7. Again it is
8.
okay. 11C1 is 11 and 11C10 will also be 11. Fine. One more is NC2. NC2 is what? N into N minus 1 by 2. N into N minus 1 by 2 is NC2. Now, let's take one example so that you'll understand. I just know one owner. Who is that? King KKR, Kolkata Knights Rider. All right. Kolkata Knights Rider. IPL season is going on, though I don't watch IPL, but maybe you people, some of you might be watching it. So in KKR was betting on number of players, like they have to select some number of players. They have total 50 players. So from 50 players, they need to select 20 players or they need to bet on 20 players. Don't go on auction thinking as of now. Just think in this way that from 50 player, they need to select 20 player. So this will be what? 50C20. All right. From 50, we are selecting 20. So 50C20. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you. Now, from 20 on field, only 11 people can go. From 20 on field, only 11 people can go. So from this 20, we will be selecting 11 people. So 20C11. All right. Now, for this 11 people, we need at which order they will go. Which order they will go. So this 11 people can be arranged in how many ways? 11 factorial ways. So your answer is what? From 20, in how many ways can we arrange this 11 people batting order? So from 20, we selected 11 people. Now this 11 people, as it is batting order, so order does matter. That's why we will multiply by 11 factorial. Did you understand little bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you people are planning to save my energy also, right? You people did not have food or had food? That's a lame question, but yeah, answer it quickly. Oh, you did not want me to know that.
Later we'll have.
Later you'll have. Okay, Madhusmita. Thank you. So let's say there are five people, A, B, C, D, E. From five, we need to make two people sit on this chair. These are chairs, chair one and chair two. From five, we need to make two people sit on this chair. So what should be your answer?
Five,
Can you
C,
repeat the
two.
question
From
once more?
5C2.
Okay, so the question is there are five people, A, B, C, D, E. We need to arrange two people on the chair, or like we need to make two people sit on the chair, chair one and chair two. Only two people can sit on this chair. So in how many ways we can make them sit? That's the question.
It's 5C2 into 5C1.
Okay, so the question is how many chairs are available?
5 people and two chairs are available.
Right, right. So five people are there and two chairs are available. So on these two chairs, only two people can sit. So first of all, we will select two people. So from five, we selected two people. So 5C2. All right. From five, we selected two chairs. Sorry, from five people, we selected two people. So 5C2. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's say you selected two people, B and E. So now on chair 1, B can sit, on chair 2, E can sit, or on chair 1, E can sit, and on chair 2, B can sit. So these two people got arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. 3 people are there, can be arranged in 3 factorial. 4 people are there, can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. All right. So your answer will be what? 5C2 into 2 factorial. Is that clear? What we are doing, two chairs are there. So first of all, from five people, we selected two people. Now these two people, if like, let's say it was Babita and Ishwari. So on chair one, Babita can sit, on chair two, Ishwari can sit, or on chair one, Ishwari can sit, on chair two, Babita can sit. I hope that's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, if there is one letter word, can be arranged in how many ways? 1 factorial ways. If there is two letter word, can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial. Look at this, OT and TO. If there is three letter word, can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial. 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. So three letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So this will be what? Mm, TWO, it could be TOW, it could be WTO, it could be WOT, it could be OTW and OWT. So how many combinations you got? 6 combination. Is that clear? Yes. So if there
Yes,
is
ma'am.
4
Ma'am.
letter word, can be arranged in how many ways? In terms of factorial? 1 letter, 1 factorial, 2 letter, 2 factorial, 3 letter, 3 factorial, 4 letter word can be arranged in how many ways?
Four
In terms
factorial.
4
of
factorial.
4 factorial. Now this can be arranged in how many ways?
Four factorial.
Very good.
4
1,
factorial.
2, 3, 4. Though the number says 5, but it can be arranged in 4 factorial only. Fine. Now we'll move to another part. If there is a word, 6 letter word, not 6 letter word, let me take my name. SONAL. How many letter word it is?
5.
5 letter word. So it can be arranged in how many ways?
5 factorial.
Okay, there is another word, Sonali. So can be arranged in how many ways?
6.
6 factorial. There is one more
6
word,
factorial.
Kshan. How many ways?
7 factorial.
7 factorial, right? Okay. Now, today's topic is what? Permutation, combination, and probability. Now, why I consider this topic as the important one? You people are all MBA graduate, right? MBA going to be graduate, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
People, in any exam, if you take any exam, always and always, as a fresher, when they are hiring, when any company is hiring to a fresher, what they can check on? What do you think? What they can check on? What you think? What they are checking on? When they are hiring you, what they are checking on?
Knowledge,
Okay, knowledge of what?
domain knowledge,
Okay, fair enough. And
confidence,
okay, and
personality,
Communication skill.
I'll write it here. Knowledge, domain knowledge, right? Domain knowledge and com,
Communication skill.
confidence. Somebody said,
confidence.
right?
Yes.
And personality. Somebody was saying,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. And
Communication skill.
communication skills. Okay, and
Soft skills.
soft skills. Okay, both are part of soft skill. How soft you are. Okay, good. And anything else they check on?
Ma'am, since we are going to be a manager, so we
Mhm.
have to go through like scenario management also. Can we
Correct.
take the best scenario and implement it for the profit of the firm or to
Right.
enhance the business?
So I say that in any interview, they are gonna check your logical approach towards your life, towards scenario, or towards anything. Okay, like how are you, in what direction are you thinking? Do you agree with me? Like, what is your thinking approach? Because even if you're a manager, it's not like you will not face obstacles. You will face obstacles, but how you are dealing with those obstacles? What approach are you going for it? Am I making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So whenever it comes to logical approach, now when they are giving you a test, like first test, written test, at the time of written test, they cannot speak to you. They can speak to you only at the time of your interview. They can check your knowledge, domain knowledge by giving some questions. Confidence, they cannot check. When you are writing something, nobody can get your nobody will get to know your confidence. So the very first thing is like how well are you thinking? And that's where the aptitude paper comes into picture. So the intention of any company is not to filter the candidates. It's like how well they are thinking, what is the logical approach they are using. So that's why permutation, combination, probability plays an important role. Or not only this topic, many other topics of quantitative aptitude. That's the reason companies are asking as in first level of the exam, that how are you thinking. So instead of looking it as like mathematical question, think it as a logical approach. What logic I should apply for this? Okay, so SONAL. Now another logical question. Think about it. How many letter word it is? Sonal is how many letter word? Five
Five.
letter word. So 5 letter word can be arranged in how many ways? 5
5
factorial.
factorial.
Right? Now I'll give you one condition. Vowels are always together. What would be your answer? Vowels are always together. What should be your answer?
5C2 or 2 factorial.
Think again.
Ma'am, O and A should be together, so we'll consider it as one
Right.
word.
Okay, so somebody said 5C2, right? Now, answer to that answer is, I'm not selecting 2 letters. I am arranging it. So you need to see, you need to use C, NCR only when you're selecting number of people. When you are arranging something, ignore it. Okay. So SONAL, vowels are always together. Somebody said, yeah, O and A are two vowels. So SNL will consider these two vowels as one unit. We'll consider these two vowels as one unit. So now how many letters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 letter can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now, if it is SZNL, this Z can be OA, this Z can be AO. So these two letters can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial. So your answer is what? 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Did you understand, people?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? If there is a word Sonali, Sonali, right? How many letter word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letter word. Vowels are together. What should be the answer?
4 factorial into 3
4
factorial.
Correct, because SNLOAI are always there. So this is 1, 2, 3. This will considered as one letter. So this will be 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Right. This is your answer. Now, had it been ALL, in how many ways can we arrange this? ALL. How many letter word it is?
3.
3 letter word. So 3 letter words can be arranged in how many ways?
3
3
factorial.
factorial.
3 factorial. But what is happening here? L is repeating. So if you see, ideally there are only ALL, LAL, LLA. There are only 3 cases. But if you see 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2 into 1. So why it is happening 3 into 2 into 1? Let's say they have considered A, L1, L2, A, L2, L1, L1, L2, A, L2, L1, A, L1, A, L2, L2, A, L1. So now you see you are getting 6 cases. That's 3 factorial. But L1, L2, L2, L1, these two are one case. Why? Because L are same. Like when it was AO and it was OA, it was creating a new word. SAONL was creating a new word rather than SOANL was creating a new word. But if I say AL1, L2, AL2, L1, both L are same, it's not creating a new word. That's why whenever the letters are repeating, we divide it by whatever number it is repeating. So ALL, 3 letter word can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, but as L is repeating, so that's why divide by 2 factorial. I hope that's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all right. So answer this question now. In how many ways can the letters of the word dealer be arranged? How many letter word is dealer?
6.
6 letter word. So 6 letter word can be arranged in how many ways?
6 factorial.
6 factorial. Is there any repetition?
Yes, ma'am.
Which
E,
letter? E. How many times?
2 times.
So your answer will be what? 6 factorial by 2 factorial. All of you got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Had it been, okay, just consider it as a word. Okay, let me take a word. Assassination. Okay. In how many ways can we arrange this word? How many letter word it is?
13.
13 letter word. So 13 letter word can be arranged in
16.
13 factorial ways, right? Now, A is repeating how many times?
3 times.
3 factorial. S is repeating how many times?
4 times.
So
4.
4 factorial. Is there any other letter which is repeating?
N.
I,
N.
I,
Okay, I and N. How many times?
I
2
two
times.
times.
2 times. So 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This will be the answer for assassination. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Answer this question now.
This is
Can you
11
just tell me?
factorial.
Can you just tell me in terms of factorial? Okay, 11 factorial. No, look at the condition. Condition is given.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, take your time. Anyone got the answer? So mathematics, again, what is the condition given? Vowels are always together. Vowels comes together. So M, A, T, H, E, M, A, T, I, C, S. So I'll consider this 4 letter as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. Now, is there any repetition? Yes, M is repeating, so 2 factorial. Is there any repetition? T and T? Yes, so into 2 factorial. Now, these 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Is there any repetition? A? Yes, so 2 factorial. Did you get it, people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you understood this, answer this question. Now, one more thing here, if you have to go with the option, how you can mark directly, I can remove this as the option, this is the option, this is the option, this is my answer. How am I doing this? 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Now 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. So this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. Right? Now you see, you really don't have to multiply all this. 5 into 2 is what? 10. So when I multiply all this number, my multiplication should end with 1 0. I repeat, when I multiply all this number, as there is single 5, as there is only one 5, the multiplication of this number will end with only 1 0. There is only one option which is ending with 1 0. So that's why your answer will be what? Option A. Directly I can eliminate other options. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this can be done similar one. Let's solve this question now. Anybody?
Ma'am, is it 12?
Absolutely, yeah. So P1 and P4 be together. P1 and P4 are together. P2, P3. We'll consider this as one unit again. 1, 2, 3, 3 factorial. And these two can be arranged in 2 factorial. Fine, let's solve another one. There is book of accounting. There is book of business management. There is book of operations. All right. So accounting, there are 7 books, business management, there are 3 books, and operations, there are 4 books. So in how many ways these 4 books can be arranged in shelf such that book of same subject is always together, or such that books of same subjects are always together? In how many ways can these 3 subjects books can be arranged? Can these 3 subjects book can be arranged in a shelf such that books of same subjects are always together? What should be the answer? Anyone? 7 books of accounting or 7 books on accounting can be arranged in how many ways? 7 factorial ways. Business management, 3 factorial ways. Operations, 4 factorial ways. So 7 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Now it could be A, B, O, accounts, business, operation, or it could be accounts, operation, business, or it could be operation, business, account, operation, account, business, or it could be business, operation, account, business, account, operation. So how many ways you got it? 6 ways, which is nothing but 3 factorial. So the answer will be what? 7 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. And these 3 types of books can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So that's your answer. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about this? What would be the answer for this question?
Ma'am, is it D?
Absolutely right. Who's speaking? Madhu.
Ma'am, Neha.
Thank you, Neha. It's correct, Neha. Oh, 1 minute. Yeah. So it's D. You remember this sonal, right? Vowels together. So if we have to calculate vowels not together, so when I talk about total cases will be what? Either vowels are together or vowels are not together. Either vowels are together, 2 vowels, either they are together or they will not be together. So total cases for 5 factorial, when they are together were 4 factorial into 2 factorial. We need to calculate for vowels not together. So vowels not together will be equal to what? 5 factorial minus 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Same way here, in how many ways can 10 boys be arranged in a straight line such that 2 particular boys are never together? So 10 boys, B1, B2, B3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's say these two are always together. So when they are together, this will be considered as one unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 factorial, these two can be arranged in 2 factorial. But we need to calculate for never together. Either they are together or they are not together. So this will be the total cases. So total 10 people can be arranged in 10 factorial. Subtract together case, you will get not together. I hope this is clear. I'll go to one more level up in case if you people participate. At the end, I'll tell you one extreme good level in these questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me know at the end. So this is done. We'll come back to digits question. How about this? What would be the answer for this question?
Ma'am, is it 7
Yeah,
C3 into 4 C2?
very good. 7 men, 4 women. We need a group of 3 men and 2 women. So this will be what? 7C3 multiply or plus here. What should come? It should be multiply or it should be add? It should be
Plus,
add.
plus.
Okay. So when we will take plus, when we will take multiply, I'll tell you. So we need to select how many people? We were supposed to select how many people? 5 people, 3
5
men and
people.
2 women. But if you see 7C3, we have selected only 3 people so far. It means that my event is not over yet. I wanted to select 5 people, but so far I have selected only 3 people. I need to select 2 more people. So to select those 2 more people, what should I do? Multiply. Because my event is not yet over. I wanted to select 5, but I selected only 3 as event is not completed. That's why we will multiply into 4C2. From this
Ma'am,
4, yeah.
sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Then we will not go by this like 7 man and because I was judging with this because at some conditions that if
So
and
whenever it
then a
is
positive
and, right?
is got plus and
So whenever it is and, it means that we need 3 men and 2 women. It means that we need total 5 people. So whenever it is and, we need to multiply.
okay,
Whenever it is or, we will add. We'll see that case also.
okay.
Okay. So this here the answer will be what? 7C3 into 4C2. 7C3 will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divide by 7 minus 3 factorial. I'm using this formula n factorial n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is 4 factorial into 3 factorial. 4C2 will be 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This 2 factorial is 4 minus 2 factorial. So this will get cancelled. 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. 3 factorial is 6. 4 factorial will get cancelled. 7, 5, 35 into 2 is 70 into 3 is 210. That's your answer. Okay. If this is clear, tell me the answer in terms of NCR of this question. Got the answer? In how many ways can a committee of 4 men and 2 women out of 8 men and 5 women can be made? What should be the answer? 8C4 into 5C2. Right, from 8 men, we are selecting 4 men. From 5 women, we are selecting 2 women. 8C4 into 5C2. Okay, you can calculate it. No such worry. Fine, go for this question. Once give a try. We'll do one and then next one you try. So 7 women and 6 children. What they're saying, at least 3 women. At least 3 women means what?
7, say 3.
Okay, but they're saying at least 3 women. At least means what?
A minimum of
Yeah,
three. It
three,
can
more
be
than 3.
three, 4, 5.
Minimum 3. So, and how many people we need in a group? 5
5.
people.
5.
So can I say maximum number of women? Minimum 3 should be. It means that it could be 3 women, 4 women, or 5 women. Can I take 6 women?
No, ma'am.
No, right? So it has to be 3, 4, 5. Now, when it is 3 women and we need a group of 5 people, so can I say the number of children has to be 2? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
When it is 4 women, number of children has to be 1. When it is 5 women, we don't need any children, 0. Okay, so this will be what? From 7, we need 3 women. We can take 3 women and 2 children, or so whenever or comes, like with cases, it could be one such case, this is one such case, or it could be one more case. That case is what? 7c4 into 6c1, or it could be what? 7c5 into 6c0. This is your third case. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now one more thing here. 7c3 will be equal to a 7c4. 8c5 will be equal to 8c3. 11c8 is equal to 11c3. 9c4 is equal to 9c5. Take any number. 20c14 is equal to 20c6. What is happening? 7 minus 3 is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. 11 minus 8 is 3, 11 minus 3 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, and so on. Got it, people? So here the value of 7c3 will be same as 7c4. And we have equated 7c3 value. 7c3 value is what? 35. 7 into 5, 35. So 7c3 will be 35 and 7c4 will also be 35. 6c1 value will be what? What is 6c1 value?
Six.
nc1 is equal to what? N. So this is 6 plus 7c5 will be same as 7c5 will be same as 7c2, and nc2 can be calculated as n into n minus 1 by 2. Right? So this part can be calculated as 7 into 6 by 2. 7 into 7 minus 1 by 2. 6c0 is 1. So this will give you 21. This will give you 35 into 6. And 6c2 is equal to 6 into 5 by 2, hence 15. So this is 35 into 50. Now I will not solve it. I'll take 35 common from this. So when I take 35 common, this will become 15 plus 6 plus 21. Now again, I'll not solve this. I'll take 21 common from this. So this will be 21, and in bracket it will be 35 plus 1. Now 35 plus 1 is 36. 21 into 36. 6 into 1 should end with 6. So my answer should end with 6. Hence this is my answer. Did you understand, people? Yes, no,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
try to keep your calculation simpler. Don't multiply it until and unless you really need to multiply. Okay, so we are good with this. I hope you can solve this question. We'll look at some other questions now. So how about this one? Do you know collinear points? So collinear points are the points which lie on the same line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Collinear points are the points which lie on the same line, right? Now 20 points, of which 7 are collinear. So these 7 are collinear. Overall 20 points are there. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So 13 points will be non-collinear and 7 points are collinear. We need to form a triangle. To get one triangle, how many points do I need?
3.
3 points, right? So can I say I have non-collinear points and I have collinear points. I have non-collinear and I have collinear points. So for how many non-collinear points I have? 13. How many collinear points I have? 7. To get one triangle, I need 3 points, right? So if I take 2 collinear points and 1 non-collinear point, will I get a triangle? 2 collinear points and 1 non-collinear point. Did I get a triangle? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If I take two non-collinear points, if I take 2 non-collinear points and 1 collinear point, will I get a triangle? Yes. Right? What else? What could be other combination? What could be other combination? Can I take all 3 collinear point? Will I get a triangle?
No, ma'am.
No, right? But can I take 3 non-collinear point and will I get a triangle?
Yes.
Yes, right? So it is like this. So again, you will get the combination 13C1 into 7C2 plus 13C2 into 7C1 plus 13C3 into 7C0. You can solve again this. You can get the answer. But another easy way of solving this question is 20 points are there. To get one triangle, I need 3 points. So from 20, I'll select 3 points. All these 20 points, if I select 3 points, I'll get a triangle. Now, can anyone tell me in which situation I'll not get a triangle? Out of these 20 points, in which situation I'll not get a triangle?
Ma'am, if you select the collinear point, 7.
Absolutely. Right. So when I am selecting 3 points and those 3 points are from collinear, if I'm selecting 3 points and these 3 points are from collinear, I'll not get a triangle. So I'll subtract those cases and I'll get number of triangles. Okay. What we are doing, we are taking all the points. Total number of triangles will be 20C3. This is when 20 points are there. But I know that 7 points are collinear. If I select 3 points from those 7 points, I'll not get triangle. That's the only one condition where I'm not getting triangle. So that's where I subtracted that condition. Is that clear, people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer this question. Same question. It's only like data is different. Instead of 20, it is 30. Instead of 7, it is 14. What should be your answer this time?
Thirteen C3 minus 14C3.
Absolutely. 30C3 minus 14C3. That's your answer. I hope you understood all this. Let's move to another type of question now. Okay. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. In these triangle questions, we also have the diagonal questions. Sometimes they come. Can you also explain those?
Sure, we'll do that. Shall we do it right away?
Ma'am, if you can, it's
Okay,
fine.
let's
Otherwise, we
do
can.
it right away. So in square, how many diagonals are there in square? 2 diagonals.
2.
All right. How many diagonals are there in pentagon? First of all, pentagon is how many vertices?
5.
5 vertices, right? So how many diagonals we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? These are the total number of diagonals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now similarly, hexagon. Hexagon is how many vertices? 6 vertices, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let's assume this way, or let's understand it this way. In square, uh, 4 vertices we had. So what are the total number of lines we can get? In square, we have 4 vertices. What are the total number of lines? To get one line, I need 2 points. To get one line, I need 2 points, right? So if 4 points are there, I'll get total number of lines are 4C2.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
so, right? Out of this 4C2, what is happening? These 4 lines are sides. That's why we subtract this to get total number of diagonals. Like here, 5 points are there. Total number of lines will be 5C2. 5C2 is 10. 5 into 4 by 2. Huh? 5C2. Right. 5 into 4 by 2. 2, 1, 2, 2. Right. 5C2. Right. 5 into 2 is 10. Now, out of this, these 5 are what? Sides. So when I subtract this, will give me what? Total number of diagonals. Okay. Let's talk about this. Hexagon. Hexagon has how many points? 6 points. So 6C2 will give me total number of lines. 6C2 is 6, 15. 6 into 5 by 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 into 5 is 15. Let's count. Are we getting 15 line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 7, 8, 9. I cannot join these. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One more I missed it somewhere. And this is 15, these 2 lines. Okay, so 15 minus what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15 minus 6 will be 9. So 9 diagonals will be there. So for total number of diagonals, it is what? NC2 minus N, where N is what? Total number of vertices. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So let's move to another concept now. Maybe this is second last concept. So if these are the digits given to us, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's not take this many digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to form 4-digit number. Okay, first case, repetition allowed. And another case, repetition not allowed. Okay, just try once. Okay, let's discuss one, then you solve. Repetition allowed, 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition allowed. If I selected any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, any number can come here also. So for this place, I have 6 option. For this place also I have 6 option. For this place also I have 6 option because repetition is allowed. And for this place also I have 6 option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 option. So your answer will be what? 6 to the power 4. But when it is repetition not allowed, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I select any number, let's say 4. So here, as of now, I have 6 option, but I selected 4. Now I left with 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. I left with 5 option. Now let's say if I selected 3. Now I left with 4 option. 6, 5, 4. So the next one has to be what? Let's say we have selected 6. How many option we left with this time? 3 options. So your answer will be what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now another question. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4-digit number. First case, repetition allowed. Second case, repetition not allowed. All right, what would be the answer? Try, give a shot. Repetition allowed. How many digit number we are looking for? 4-digit number. Can 0 come at first place?
No, ma'am.
No, right? So for first place, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 options. But can 0 come at second place? Yes. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 7 options. So again, as repetition is allowed, whatever number you have selected here, the same number you can select here also. So again, you have 7 option. Here also you have 7 option. So your answer will be what? 6 into 7 into 7, right? This is one. Another one, when repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. So when repetition is not allowed, can 0 come here at first place?
No.
No. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 options. Now out of the 6, I need to choose one. So let's say if I've chosen 3. So now I left with 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. But 0 can come here. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6 option. Now it will be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. 5 option. And then one more 4 option. Let's say you have selected 1. So 0, 4, 5, 6. So now you got 4 options. So in repetition allowed, your answer was 6 into 7 into 7 into 7. Whereas repetition not allowed, your answer was 6 into 6 into 5 into 4. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let's solve this question. Give me 1 minute, not 1 minute. You try this question, I'll be back. Okay, just give a try. 1 minute here. Whenever they are asking how many 4-digit numbers, right? So they haven't mentioned anything as like repetition allowed, not allowed, but they're just asking how many 4-digit. So in that case, we need to consider repetition allowed because they are talking about 4-digit numbers. So in 4-digit numbers, even there will be some numbers which are repetitive. Okay, and I hope you know divisibility rule of 2 also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
try this question.
Yes.
I'll be back in a minute. Okay, people got the answer? Yes, no? So how many 4-digit number? 4-digit numbers will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Can be formed using digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if it has to be divisible by 2, right? If it has to be divisible by 2, what all numbers should end here?
2, 4,
Okay,
even
2, 4,
6, 8.
6, 8. Can 0 also come here?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? 0 can also come. Fine. So as repetition is allowed, so no such problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 options available here. Now, how many options for this place?
9.
9. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 options. How many options for this place?
10.
10. Very good. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also 10 into 10. What would be your answer? 4500. All of you got this? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yeah. We'll see one level up question after at the end. Let's finish all the questions as of now. Then we'll get, if we'll get time, we'll see one more level. Okay. How about this? What would be the answer for this question?
Ma'am, is it A?
8 or 12?
Ma'am, 20.
20. Yeah, I think 20 is the answer.
Ma'am, I
Three
said
digit.
A. Ma'am, I said A. Is it 20?
Okay, sorry. I heard 8. So it's a 3-digit number, right? And it has to be divisible by 5. Divisibility rule of 5 is that the last number should be 0 or 5. Last number has to be 0 or 5, right? So as 0 is not there, your life is very simple. You just have to take 5. 5 can be selected in one way, as repetition is not allowed. They're saying none of the digit is repeated. So as repetition is not allowed, it means that 5 got selected. Now you're left with 5 options here, and one more number will get selected. Now you're left with 4 options. So 5 into 4 into 1, your answer will be what? 5 into 4, 20. Yes, 20 is the answer. Fine. Done. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, if I talk about probability, right? Probability is nothing but extension part of permutation combination. So we'll see some cases of probability questions also, but we'll directly solve some question here. So probability is what? Favorable upon total. Favorable upon total. Now, if I say, if there is a question, there is a word sonal, what is the probability that vowels are always together? What is the probability that vowels are always together? So what is the probability vowels are always together? Vowels are always together will become your favorable condition. It means that this is my favorable condition, 4 factorial into 2 factorial. But the question is about probability. If the question is about probability, what will happen? We need to divide it by total cases. Total cases is what? 5 factorial. So the question of permutation combination got converted to probability, right? Now let's look at this question. In how many ways can the letters of the word dealer be arranged? Same way. What is the probability? Now this question cannot be, because they are talking about, they have not given any condition. But when I talk about this condition again, mathematics, vowels are always together. Now this is probability question. It can be probability question. What is the probability that in the word mathematics, when letters were rearranged, vowels always comes together? So I know that vowels always comes together. It is this part. 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Again, so this is condition given. But when I see mathematics, in how many ways can I arrange this letter? Letters of the word mathematics, 11 factorial, m 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 factorial by what? M is repeating, 2 factorial, a is repeating, 2 factorial, t is repeating, 2 factorial. So your probability questions answer would be 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 4 factorial by 2 factorial divided by 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This will get cancelled. It is 8 factorial into 4 factorial by 11 factorial. All of you got it? Yes or no? Any confusion, people?
No, ma'am.
No? Fine. Let's solve this question now. In how many different ways? Let's convert it into, this is the word. What is the probability? What is the probability vowels are always, what is the probability vowels always come together? What would be the answer for this? Vowels always come together. Let it be in terms of factorial only. Okay, fine people, enough time. So A O T P O T A, this is what? A O T P O T A R I O N, right? So this will be considered as one letter. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 factorial, 6 factorial by, is there any letter repeating? Yes, 2 factorial into 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 factorial. Any letter repeating? 1, yeah, A is repeating, O is repeating 3 times, 3 factorial. Divide by what? What is the condition given? This is the condition, vowels always together, so that will come into numerator part. Denominator will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 factorial by A is repeating 2 times, 2 factorial. O is repeating 3 times, 3 factorial. And T is repeating 2 times again, 2 factorial. That's it. So this will be your answer for your probability question. All right. Fine, people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is, if I have to convert this question into probability, what is the probability that the number is divisible by 2? How many 4-digit number, how many, what is the probability that the numbers from these digits are divisible by 2? So this would have been my numerator, 9 into 10 into 10 into 5, 9 into 10 into 10 into 5. Denominator will be what? 4-digit number. 4-digit number will be what? Here 9 numbers can come, then here 10 numbers, 10 numbers, 10 numbers. So my denominator will be 9 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, so this would have been your answer. For this one, your answer would have been what? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 into 1 divided by 6 into 5 into 4. So your answer would have been 1 by 6. Am I making sense, people? We'll move to special cases in a minute, but I hope you understood all this. Yes, no? Okay, so I assume it is yes. Fine. Now let's start probability. Can anyone answer this question to me? When one coin is tossed,
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay, fine. Let's discuss one thing and then you start solving.
Ma'am, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That would
Okay.
come to 3.
So let's see this way. When one coin is tossed, how many outcomes? 2 outcomes. When 2 coins are tossed, how many outcomes? 4. That is head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. When 3 coins are tossed, how many outcomes? 8. Head head head, head head tail, head tail head, tail head head, tail tail tail, tail tail head, tail head tail, and head tail tail. Okay, so what is happening? If one coin, it is 2 to the power 1. If 2 coins, then 2 to the power 2. If 3 coins, then it is 2 to the power 3. So if there are 4 coins, what will be the total number of sample space? What will be the total number of outcomes? 2 to the power 4. When there are 5 coins, what will be the total number of outcomes? 2 to the power 5. Fine. So answer this question now. If 2 coins were tossed, find the probability of exactly one head. Exactly one head. What would be your answer?
1 by 2.
All right. How about the next one? At least 2 head.
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Check again.
1 by 4.
Right. It would be again find the probability of uh, at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means 2 or more than 2. If two coins were tossed, you cannot get more than two, right? So there is only one such case where there is two heads at least. So answer will be 1 by 4. One case out of four cases. All right. Now let's talk about three coins. Exactly one head. What would be your answer? Exactly one head. What would be your answer?
Three by eight.
Okay, 3 by 8. How about at least two heads? At least two
One
heads. Anyone
one
answer?
by two.
1 by 2. At least two heads. Right. Okay. Now there is a direct way, easy way of doing this. Right. Let me just explain you in an easier way. So understand one thing. When two coins were tossed, each case is giving you two outcome. When three coins were tossed, each case were giving you three outcomes. So when four coins were tossed, each case will give you four outcomes. When five coins are tossed, each case will give you five outcomes. Right? Now, when two coins were tossed, maximum number of heads you can get is two. Maximum number of tails you can get is two. When three coins are tossed, maximum number of heads you can get three. Maximum number of tails you can get three. Right? So when I look at this question, three coins exactly one head. When three coins are tossed, maximum how many heads I can get? Three. But I need exactly one. It means that 3C1. So your answer will be what? 3C1 by 2 to the power 3. Now, where this case will be useful, if it is three coins, still you can make these cases. Head, 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 tail, head, tail, head. You can make these cases. But if it is five coins, you cannot make those 32 cases. Those 32 cases, we cannot make it. That's why this method comes handy. All right. I repeat, when three coins were tossed, maximum number of heads you can get is three. I need exactly one head. So my answer will be what? 3C1 by 2 to the power 3. If the question is about at least two tails, at least two tails. So again, how many tails I can get maximum?
Three.
Three tails, right? And how many tails do we need? Two tails, at least two tails. It means that I need two or I need three tails. I need two tails or I need three tails. Yes or no?
3 tails, 2 coins, 2 tails.
Sorry.
Means for 3 coins it will be 3 tails, and for 2 coins it will be 2 tails, right?
Right. But at least two tails. When they're saying at least two tails, it means that I can get I can get two or more than two. So maximum I can get is three tails when three coins were tossed. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So if I when I say at least two tails, it means it could be two tails or three tails. So three coins were tossed. Maximum I can get three. So from three I need two, 3C2. From three I need three. So 3C3 divided by 2 to the power 3. This will be your answer. If this is clear, try this question. You will understand what I'm saying. 5 coins were tossed together. What is the maximum number of heads I can get?
Right.
5. What is the maximum number of tails I can get?
5.
5. 5 coins were tossed together. Exactly 2 heads. What should be my answer?
5.
5C2 divided by 2
5
to the
C2
power 5.
divided by 2 plus 5.
Very good. Now, if it is at least 3 heads, at least 3 heads means what? At least means what?
3 or more than
Minimum 3.
Correct.
Or more than
So it could be 3 heads or it could be
4 or 5.
or 5 heads. Again, what can be maximum number of heads? 5. So what should I write here?
5C3.
Very good. Plus
5C4.
and
5C5.
divided by 2 to
2
the
to the
power.
power 5.
That's it. Okay. I hope you understood.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So let's move to the next one. That is dice questions. All right. So there are 2-3 important things. If we are done with that, then I'll come to some more generalization. What time you people, did you people have any class before this class?
No, ma'am, today is Sunday.
No, ma'am.
Oh, today was Sunday. Super, but still you are attending class. So no Sunday, no? Okay. So when one dice is rolled, what will be the total number of outcomes? 6. When 2 dice are rolled, then total number of outcomes will be what? 6 to the power 2. Okay. Like here, it is what? Total number of outcomes in coin case. Total number of cases, let's say. Total number of cases in the case of coin is equal to what? 2 to the power number of coins. So like 4 coins were the total number of cases were 2 to the power 4. 5 cases, 5 coins, 2 to the power 5. Similarly, when we talk about dice, it is total number of cases is equal to what? 6 to the power number of dice. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have played Ludo?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now when one dice, let's say we are not 2 people are playing, it's like you only. So you have rolled a dice. When one dice is rolled, what is the probability of getting number 3? What is the probability of getting number 3?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. All right. Probability of getting even number. What is the probability of getting even number?
3 by 6.
3 by 6, that is 1 by 2.
4, 6. 3 by 6. Fair enough. What is the probability of getting prime number?
2 by 6.
No, prime numbers are also 3. 2, 3, 5. So again, 3 by 6. Prime number. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. So still it is 3 by 6. Is that clear? Yes, no? Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Now, I want you to try this question. If 2 dice were rolled together, find the probability of this. Getting sum as 4. Just try. Getting sum as 4, getting sum as prime number, both even number, getting a pair. Can you tell me answer of question number 4?
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
How?
I'm like 1, 1, 2,
Very
2.
good. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So it is 6 by 36. Fine. Tell me the answer of question number 3. Question question number 3.
Ma'am, 1 by 12.
How? 1 by 12?
Ma'am, 2, 2, 2, 4, and 4, 2.
All right. So when both even number, let's say you and I are playing Ludo. All right. So what is the probability of you getting a even number? An even number. What is the probability that you will get an even number?
3.
3, right? Like you can get 2, you can get 4, you can get 6. So your probability is 3 out of 6, 3 by 6. Now, what is the probability that I will get an even number?
3 by 6.
3 by 6, right? So the answer will be what? 9 by 36. 9 by 36 is what? 1 by 4 only. Okay. So both even number, answer will be 1 by 4, 9 by 36. Did you get it? Look at one more way. Either both of us can get odd number. You got odd, I got even number, or you got even number, I got odd number. Or another case is what? Both of us got even number. So both of us got even, one cases out of 4 cases. I hope that's clear. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Right. Now I'll tell you the shortcut, and after that shortcut, try question number 1, 2, and 5. Okay, understand. So whenever we roll two dice, the summation which I can get is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can I get 13 ever? Whenever two
No.
dice were rolled, can I get 13 ever? No. So now how many cases for 2? Like in which all cases the summation of our dice top is 2. When you are getting 1, I am getting 1. 12, when you are getting 6, I am getting 6. So one such case for 2, one such case for 12. For 3, in how many cases we can get 3? When you are getting 1, I am getting 2, or when you are getting 2, I am getting 1. Similarly, 11, when you are getting 5, I am getting 6, or when you are getting 6, I am getting 5. So 2 cases for 3, 2 cases for 11. 4, when both of us got 2, 2, when you got 1, I got 3, or when you got 3, I got 1. Similarly, 10, 5, 5, or when you got 6, I got 4, or when you got 4, I got 6. So 3 cases, 3 cases. Observe the pattern here. 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3. So 5, 4. 9 will also be 4. 6 will be 5. 8 will also be 5. For 7, it is 6. People understood? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is summation 2, 3, 4. I'll write little bigger. Summation 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Summation. All right. So this is Garland. Garland. It is Garland. Ayyo Ramaswamy. This is. I will not erase this. Otherwise, entire line will get erased. So this is Garland, and these are cases. Cases. So cases will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? All of you got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
answer sum as prime number. This is one question. Another one is getting sum as 4. Getting sum as 4. And one more question is sum as multiple of 3. Tell me the answer of all these 3 questions. sum as multiple of 3. I'll be back in a minute.
Ma'am, getting sum as 4 will be 3 by 36.
Got the answer, people?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting sum as 4, what will be the answer?
3 by 36.
3 by 36, right? 3 by 36. How about second one, sum as prime number?
5 by 12.
15 by 36, yeah, 5 by 12,
Yes,
right
ma'am.
off. Very good. So 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 11 is prime number. For 2, 1. For 3, 2. For 5, 4 cases. For 7, 6 cases. For 11, 2 cases. So add all this. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 2, 15. So the answer for this is what? 15 by 36. I hope that's clear. Right? Now the last one, sum as multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means what? 3, 6, 9, and 3, 6, 9, and 12. So for 3, 2 cases, this is
12 by
5,
36.
2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, plus
12
1,
by 30.
12. Correct, 12 by 36. I hope that's clear. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. All right. Now, so these are the general questions being asked on dice problems. Right now, how many, all of you know about cards?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Then it would be easy for us to finish it off. Finish card thing and we can do something extra then. So when I talk about cards, there are 52 cards, right? 52 cards. There are 4 suits: heart, diamond, club, and spade. There will be 13 cards in each suit. Heart looks like heart, diamond looks like diamond, club looks like this leaf, and spade looks like ulta heart. These two are in red color and these two are in black color. So we have 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K, right? So we'll have A of heart, A of diamond, A of club, A of spade, and so on. Right? Now, how many red cards we have?
26.
Correct. How many black cards?
26.
26. Now, if we are withdrawing one card at random, my denominator will be 52C1. If I'm withdrawing 2 cards at random, my denominator will be 52C2. If 3 cards, then it is 52C3 and so on. So think practically or like answer this orally and then we'll move to another question. what is the probability when one card is drawn at random? I repeat, when one card is drawn at random, what is the probability of it being a heart card? What is the probability of it being a heart card? What would be your answer?
13 by 52.
Correct. 13C1 by 52C1. I'm choosing one card out of 13 cards. 30 heart cards. So your answer is 13C1 by 52C1. What is the probability of it being a black card? One card is chosen at random. What is the probability of it being a black card?
26
26 by
C1
52.
divided by
26C1 by 52C1. Fair enough.
Mhm.
What is the probability of it being an honor card? Honor card. Do you know honor card?
Ma'am, 4 into 4, like for 16 by
Right.
52.
AJQKR honor cards. Honor cards. Right. JQKR face cards. So yes, in that case, answer will be 16C1 by 52C1. Fair enough. So hope you people are good with this. Answer this question. Question number 2. What would be the answer? Both cards are red cards. What would be the answer? First of all, how many cards are you withdrawing at random?
2.
2 cards. So your denominator will be what? What will be your denominator? What will be your total sample space?
52 C2.
52C2. All right. Both cards as red cards. What would be the answer?
26 C2 by 52 C2.
Right. 26C2 by 52C2. Fair enough. Both cards as face cards. Face card, face card. How many face card we have? 12. So the answer will be 12C2 by 52C2. Okay. Both cards as honor cards.
16 C2 by 52 C2.
Correct. 16C2 by 52C2. All right. Now answer a queen and a king. What would be your answer?
8 C2 by 52 C2.
Okay. So when you say 8C2, right? What is happening? You have taken 4 queen and 4 king. So when you go for 8C2, might be possible that both are queen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So that's why it is incorrect. What it could be?
Ma'am,
What
it could be
correct one?
4C1 into 4C1 upon 52C2.
Very good. That's correct. So 4C1 into 4C1 by 52C2. I hope you understood why not 8C2, right? Those who are answering, I hope you understood that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now, getting one card as 7 of spade. This 7 is number 7. Getting one card as 7 of spade and other as club. What would be the answer this time?
Ma'am, is it one 7 of spade and other 7 of club?
No, no, no. 7 of spade and other as club. So this club card could be any club.
Could be any.
Getting one card as 7 of spade and other as club. Club could be any. I think you will get their answer. Going back, we have 7 of heart, we have 7 of diamond, we have 7 of club, we have 7 of spade. So how many 7 of spade we have?
Ma'am, only one.
Absolutely. So this 7 of spade can be chosen only in one way. So 1C1. How many club cards we have?
13.
13. So 1C1 into 13C1 by
52
52C2.
C2.
Your answer.
Yes.
Okay. I hope that's clear, right? Fine. Want to solve question number 6 also quickly? getting both black card or both kings. Okay, getting both cards as black card. It means that 26c2 or both king. It means that 4c2
4C2.
by 52c2. But something is happening here. What is happening? Pay attention. When I say king of spade and king of club, right? Now, king of spade and king of club is a part of this 26c2. Like 26c2, whatever will be the total number of combination, right? 26 into 25 by 2, 13 into 20, 13 into 20 is 260 plus 65, 360 plus 65 is 360, 260 plus 65 is 325. Is that correct? 315. 60, 60, 120. 13 into 20, 260. 13 into 5 is 65.
Ma'am, 325.
65 is 325. Out of these 325 cases, one case is king of spade and king of club also. Whatever this 325 cases, one case is king of spade and king of club also. Similarly, when I talk about 4c2, 4c2 is 6. Out of these 6 cases, again king of spade and king of club is there. Now what is happening? In this 325 also one case is this, in 6 also this one case. It means that it is repeating. Ideally, there should be 325 plus 6. It is what? 331 minus 1. Why this minus 1? Because one this case you have included in this part, one case you have included in this also, whereas it is one case only. If you take out king of spade and king of club, it is satisfying both the condition. So that's why you need to subtract 1, because it's getting common, it's getting added twice. So from one place you will subtract it. People got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Now, one more thing before we close this session is there is one, I want to discuss 3 things. Let's see how long we will take. If you are okay, we will discuss. This one we will share because we do have time. So what is the probability of, what is the probability of 53 Mondays if it is non-leap year? Now, how to solve this question? If it is non-leap year will have 365 days. Divide by 7. We'll get 52 weeks. 1 day extra. Now this 52 weeks, it means that there will be 52 Sunday, 52 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, right? 52, all this. But this 1 day extra, this 1 day could be 53rd Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So if it is 53 Monday, there is only one Monday. So my answer will be what? 1 out of 7, 1 by 7. Had it been, what is the probability of 53 Mondays if it is non-leap year? Sorry, if it is leap year. So if it is leap year, there will be 366 days, 7, 52, 364. So you will get 2 as the remainder. 52 weeks is same like this. 2 remainder means what? It could be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of these 7 cases, there are 2 cases where Monday is there. So the answer will be what? 2 by 7. So whenever the question is about non-leap year, doesn't matter. It is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, what they have given. Answer is always 1 by 7. And if the question is given about leap year and they are asking about 53 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever, answer is 2 by 7. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now one question I would like to solve with you people. What I'll share this PPT with you people. Okay, so you can solve the questions. And in case if you have any doubt, you can always ask on this number. You can send the question to me or to somebody and we will get back to your query. So do you want that number? Just,
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you might have this student support number. It is 72592000728. Okay. So I'm just writing, I'll share this PPT with you anyway, so you can do it. Okay, so here, coming to this question, we have seen vowels are always together, like this question. When 2 vowels are there, we can go ahead with this approach. But when there are 3 vowels, right? Let's say there are 3 vowels. So in the word Sonali, Sonali, the question is, what is the probability or such that no 2 vowels are together? No 2 vowels are together. So if you go with the case, that is total minus 4 factorial into 3 factorial, you are just subtracting the cases where you have taken O, A, and I are together. You're just subtracting those cases. You are not subtracting those cases when it is like SNOLAI. You are not subtracting these cases. Whereas these cases should also not be there because they are saying no 2 vowels together. So even these 2 cases should not be included. So how to solve this question? Let's look at it. SECTION. All right. So what can be together? SCTNEIO. What can be together? It could be SCTN can be together. Now these 4 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now assume that there is a long table, long chair attached, long table to sit to attach, which is attached. I mean, like it's not chair, it is long sitting table. And S, C, T, N are already sitting there. Now let's say Madhumita comes in. So how many options Madhusmita have to sit? How many options she has? She can sit at this corner, or she can sit between S and C, or she can sit between C and T, or she can sit between T and N, or she can sit at the corners. She will tell all these 5 people come out, I'll sit at the corner. So how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So for this vowels, how many places are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 5 chairs. But how many vowels are there? Only 3. So from 5, we just need 3. From 5, we need 3. Now these 3 people, let's say E, O, I. These 3 people can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial ways. So this is your answer. So for Sonali also, Sonali, SNL, 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. How many places vowels can come? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. Out of 4 places, how many places do I need? 3. So 4C3. Now these 3 can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial. That's my answer. Did you understand, people?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Just solve last question and then we'll wind up. 7 girls and 5 boys. 7 girls and 5 boys. No two boys sit together. No two boys sit together. What would be the answer? Okay, 1 minute. If I have to convert the same question into probability, this will be the favorable condition. I'll divide it by 7 factorial. Here I'll divide it by 6 factorial. Here, 7 girls, 5 boys. No two boys sit together. Who can sit together? Who can sit together, people? Girls can sit together, right? So how many girls? 7 girls. 7 girls can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Girl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many places for boys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places for boys. So from 8 places, I need only 5 places, 8C5. Now this boys can be arranged in how many ways? Can anyone tell me?
5 factorial.
5 factorial. That's it. That's my answer. Divide by what? If it is probability question, I'll divide it by what? 7 and 5.
12.
12 factorial. All right. Fine, people. Just
Yes,
one
ma'am.
last thing.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is circular arrangement, it is always what? N minus 1 factorial. So if 7 people need to be arranged circularly, your answer will be what? 6 factorial.
6 factorial.
If it is 8 people need to be arranged circularly, answer will be what? 7 factorial. All right. So that's it. Fine, people.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you want me
Yes,
to
ma'am.
share this file with you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let me do it right away. See, I'll share it in chat window. Let me just see. Okay, so let me just see people where the file is saved. I hope it's clear. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Practice, people. You will get perfect file. Computer. Desktop, desktop, desktop. Okay, here you go. So have you received the file?
No, ma'am.
It's on the way. Now,
Yeah, ma'am.
yeah. Okay, so download it and we'll see you again. We'll see when. I hope it is clear. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
people.
It is clear.
So take care. All the very best. Do well. Just go with like, go with what? Go with logical approach. Done? All right. Fine, people. So all the very
Thank you,
best.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for those people who replied and at least 1 or 2 times also. Thank you from bottom of my heart. You made session alive. Thank you, people. Bye-bye.